Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Lego puzzle box. Okay, so the pieces that you're going to need for this puzzle box, the first piece is a 4x4 light bluish gray plate. Then you're also going to need two 2x4 light bluish gray tiles, one 2x4 light bluish light bluish gray plate. Then you're also going to need a 1x4 light bluish gray tile. Oh, you can't even see that. Let me move that back up. You're also going to need 4 1x2 gray plates. Doesn't matter if it's light bluish gray or just normal gray. 2 of these L-shaped. Oh, focus there. Light bluish gray 2x2 L-shaped plates, a 1x3 gray plate, 1x2 sorry, light gray plates, 1 1x3 gray tile, 1 1x3 light gray brick, a 1x1 light gray brick, 1 1x1 light gray plate, 1 1x1 light gray tile, 2 1x2 light gray bricks, and 1 1x2 tile that doesn't matter which type of tile it is, it could be anything. I just have a $100 bill right there. And these are all the pieces that you're going to need. Okay, so start off with your 4x4 plate. You can also build this up any color. And then you want to start off with your 1x1 tile. Place it right up here in like the top middle, like top corner, top left corner. Right up there, kind of on the top. Then take your 1x4 tile, place it right here in the middle. Then take your 1x3 tile, oh, sorry about that, place it right here in the middle, the bottom middle. And that's it for this little sub-assembly right there. That's going to be our base. Then you want to take one of our 1x2 bricks, just place a 1x2 plate on top. Go set that down over there. Then take your 1x3 plate, 1x3 brick, and then place a 1x3 plate on top. Put that down there. Then you can take your 1x1 brick and your 1x2 brick and just set them down there for our little sub-assemblies. Then take your 2x4 plate, place one of your 2x4 tiles on top of it like that. Then take your other 2x4 tile and then take your 1x1 plate and place it in the corner. Doesn't matter which corner, just any of the corners. Actually, sorry, that does matter. Place it in the top left. Oh, sorry, no. Upside down on the top right corner. Yes, that does matter. I'm sorry about telling you that. Of course, you need your 1x2 tile of your choice. Place it down there. Then take your 2 of your L-shaped plates. Set it down right there. Take one of your tiles and then place it on the top like that. And take another tile, place it down here in the bottom. Take your other L-shaped piece and place it kind of like that. So you can kind of get that shape. I'll place another tile right there. Kind of see how that looks. Place that down there. Then take your 1x2 plate and your 1x2 tile. Just place them on top of each other. There's our other sub-assembly, and that's it. Now I'll show you how to build the actual puzzle cube. Okay, so first you want to take your base and then place your 3x3, your 1x3 little sub-assembly right here. Actually, sorry, this is upside down. Like that. Place the brick right up here in the top, on the top. Then take your other little 1x2 little build right there. Place right here. Make sure these are the bricks with the plates on top. Then take your 1x2 brick and place it down here in the bottom left corner. And your 1x1 brick and place it down there in the bottom right corner. And so you can kind of see these have plates and these don't have any plates on them. Then take your little build right here with the plate, with the tile and the plate underneath, and place it on the one that has the bricks on it. Make sure that your plate lines up like that. Kind of see that? So make sure your plate's right here and your tile's on top. Then take your other little tile sub-assembly and put it over here on the other side. You should have a shape kind of like that. Kind of see. Then take your little tile of your choosing and see really carefully. Do you see right of there? You see there's a little gap right there. Make sure you put the piece where your plate is right there inside. So you might have to wiggle it around. Let me try that again. See? Make sure you kind of get it stuck in there. Like that. So you have to wiggle it around. Then grab this weird shape little piece and make sure that you put it with the top of the tiles facing up. Oh, no, you gotta do it upside down, but so you can kind of get stuck in there. Oh, come on. There you go. Let me just try to put that back in like that. And make sure that you line it up with that little nub right there going out the other side. And sometimes you can kind of loosen it up or tighten it, just however you like it. So if it's a little too tight, you can kind of try to open it up a little bit to get that piece in there. And take your other little piece right here, place it in the side hole right there. So everything's flat. And so now you have your little puzzle box right here. Another little tip is, for these tiles that stick out on the edge, if you have any of the old style of tile, you might want to use them right there, the ones that don't have the little ridge. Whoa, focus. The ones that don't have that little ridge right there. And it'll just make it a little bit more, like, flat and make it look a little more confusing. Okay, so to solve your puzzle box, you want to find that little, whoa, bright. That little nub right there. Oop, we're out of focus. There, that little piece that we put in. I just want to knock it out. Sometimes it might take a couple tries. There's a little jiggle on the table. There. So we got that out. Sorry, the focus. So we got that piece out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to that other little 1x right there. Press it out like that. Should get everything out. Then everything is out of focus. Whoa, what did I do? There. Whoa. Sorry about that. And there. Okay, so we got our little piece of money out. And yeah, you already know how to reset it back up again. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you learn how to actually build one of these. I'll see you next time. Bye.